Thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm going to make a chocolate mousse and I'm going to serve it with a little Brandy Snap Biscuit. This video is actually a request from a good friend of mine called Kieran Henry. He lives over in Australia. I think I made this for him about 20 years ago, so and he still remembers it. So I'm going to make today's video on this. This is actually a nice simple dessert to put together. If you've got people coming over, you can make it in advance. It's perfect for that. So we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll make up our Brandy Snap Biscuit mix and we'll let that chill in the fridge before we get started on our mousse. Okay, so we're going to start off with 65 grams of soft butter. And we're going to mix that with 120 grams of caster sugar. So we'll mix that together first. Okay, so once that's mixed in, we're going to go in with 60 grams of golden syrup. Give that a good mix. Then we're going to go in with 60 grams of soft flour. Okay, so that's our Brandy Snap mix done. So we're just going to cling film this, put it in the fridge and let it just chill for about half an hour. Okay, so for the chocolate mousse, the first thing you want to do is put on a pan of hot water. And get a bowl, top of the pan, and put in 175 grams of dark chocolate. And just let that melt down. Okay, so while we're waiting for our chocolate to melt, we're going to whisk up some cream. I've got 250 ml of double cream here. Okay, so that's our cream ready. We'll just put that to the side. Okay, so once your chocolate's melted, we're just going to take that off the heat. Okay, so then now we just go in with 100 grams of caster sugar. Give that a good mix. Okay, so next we're going to go in with 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks. Just give that a really good mix. Okay, so once your eggs are well mixed in, we're now going to gently fold in our double cream. Okay, so in with our whipped cream. You just want to gently fold this in You don't want to knock all the air out of it. Just fold it in, it'll make the mousse a bit lighter. Okay, so once you've folded in all your cream and it's well mixed, we're just going to put this into a piping bag. This recipe should give you a good 4 portions. Okay, so I'm going to serve my mousse in a little cappuccino cup. Obviously you can use any dish that you like or any glass that you like, but I think this is just the right size that we're looking for. Okay, so while we're waiting for mousses to set in the fridge, we're going to make our Brandy Snap Biscuits. Our mix has been resting for about half an hour, so it's ready to use. So we're just going to roll it into little balls. Don't be tempted to make them too big though, because they're very thin biscuits and they spread right out. So I'd say little balls about this size. These are about 20 grams. Okay, and we're just going to bake these in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so our Brandy Snap Biscuits have been in the oven for about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to leave these to the side to cool down. Okay, so our mousses have been chilling in the fridge for about 2 hours, so they're set now. So I'm just going to whisk up a little bit more cream just to go on top of the mousse. Okay, so we're just going to finish the mousse off now with a little bit of whipped cream. And I've got a little bit of the chocolate left over, so I'm just going to grate some of that on top. And just our Brandy Snap Biscuit. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching my video again today. I hope you liked it. Please give this a go, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.